Hi everyone, friends. In this video, I will show you a very simple and useful life hack that will help you when creating videos, especially if you want to make videos with real people or consistent characters. In order to achieve character consistency in your videos, you need one useful prompt, which I'm about to show you. So watch closely. I think you'll find this helpful. First, go to the website doitong.com. Select your language and log in. Head over to the control panel. Now look, when you want to generate videos with characters, it is very important that these characters do not change from frame to frame. To achieve this, you need to create a reference sheet for your character. Right now, I will show you how easily and quickly you can create a reference sheet using two methods. The first method is using a text prompt, where you provide a written description of your character, and the neural network automatically generates it.
The second option is when you already have a real image of your character and you need to build a reference sheet from it. Let me explain why making a reference sheet is important and why it works much better than just using a single photo. When you use a single photo, you only give the neural network an idea of what your character looks like from one angle. For example, it knows how your character looks in profile, but it doesn't know what they look like from another perspective. Consequently, when generating them from a different angle in a video, the AI might fill in the blanks on its own, which may not match your expectations. So, to avoid this issue, we are going to create a reference sheet together. To do this, go to the Image section and click Create Image. We need to select a model for generating our image. There are many different models here, but I personally like a versatile model called GPT Image 2. It handles many tasks very well, so that is the one we will use. Next, set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Choose 2K resolution and paste our prompt into the field. Here is what our prompt looks like. We copy it. Notice that inside our prompt, there is a very useful section, the character description. You can adjust any parameters here to describe whatever character you want to create, and the neural network will generate them accordingly. For this example, let's copy the default description provided and paste it into the AI field. Then, click the Create button. Right now, we are generating from a text prompt. We aren't giving the AI any reference image because we want it to come up with the character's appearance on its own. Later, we can reuse this reference sheet for future video generations, keeping the person consistent across all videos without changing. Friends, you can find all the prompts via the link in the description below the video. All right, let's check the result. The AI has finished generating. Looking at it, we can see our character from different angles, a close-up of the face, as well as a full body view. Now, when generating videos, the neural network will know exactly what our character looks like. Great! Now let's try generating a reference sheet when you already have a source image. If you have a photo of the person you want to feature in your video, here is how you create a reference sheet for them. We will need a different prompt for this task. The second prompt. We copy it. Now we paste our prompt. I will leave all the settings as they were. Next, I need to upload the image of the person we are generating. I click the plus icon and select Upload from Device. I select a photo of a woman, for example, and click Create. Using this photo as an example, I want to point out what kinds of photos you should avoid using, as it directly affects the quality of your reference sheet. First, it is best if the person in the photo is standing full height. Second, make sure their hands or arms are not covering any facial features. Anything obscured will be guessed and filled in by the AI, and whether it hits the mark or alters the face comes down to chance. So try to avoid photos like that. As a demonstration, I uploaded a photo where the woman isn't full height and slightly covers her face. I think the AI should handle it, but I am showing this as an example. If I were doing this for a client or for YouTube, I would choose a clear, full-body reference image instead. Keep this in mind for your work, and also make sure the uploaded photo is high resolution. Okay, our reference sheet has been generated. Let's check it out. Here is our character. Overall, it actually hit the mark without altering key features. So everything looks good to me. Of course, if you don't like something, you can always regenerate or upload a new source image. If everything looks good, you can download the image right away. Click the download button and it will automatically save to your computer. That is the simple life hack that will dramatically improve your generation quality, as character consistency is one of the biggest challenges beginners face. I hope you found this helpful. All prompts will be in the description under the video. Subscribe for more useful tutorials. Goodbye, everyone.